Hello guys, this is Mohammad Ansari and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to bypass Vivo Y21 FRP. So guys, in this video you can see at left hand side there is a lock option. It means that this phone has been locked by FRP lock. So we need to set up this phone first. After setup you need to connect Wi-Fi. I have already connected. So now I am going to bypass this FRP lock. So I have a SIM that have been locked. Now I am going to insert this SIM in this mobile phone. After the inserting SIM card, the SIM will be get locked. Remove the SIM card from the phone. Now you will get this screen at your phone. Press here, allow. Now press on three dot. Now press on share. After share, scroll up, press the notes. Now type www.youtube.com. Now save this one. Press this. Open. Now search bar at home bypass. Press first. Open setting. Sorry. Open setting. Scroll down to system. Open phone clone. Agree. This is my phone. Android. Okay, go it. While using the app, allow. Now take another phone that I have installed already. Activity Manager. If you have not installed Activity Manager, go to Play Store and install Activity Manager like this. Activity Manager. Okay. Now go to setting and another phone. Go to system. Phone clone. This is old device. Scan QR from your FRP lock device. After the scanning, your phone will be connected from the old device. Okay. Now deselect all. Open app data. Now your old phone. Go back. Shortcut accessibility, easy touch. Customize menu. Click to add. it takes some time to load applications. After the load application, go to Android setup, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here you see Android setup, to setup without lock. Click this one. Preparing for setup. Just wait. Connect to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. It's not working. Press again. Open again. Okay. Press next. Escape. Cable does not fit. Next. Use my Google account instead. Next. Next. If you are another phone that I have before login from Google. Set up nearby devices. Next. Now click the next. Copy. Draw your pattern. Copy in your account. Continue on your old phone. This is my now your phone has been successfully bypassed. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update on videos, FRP lock bypass and mobile software hardware solution. You can see software version Android 12, Android security patch July 1 July 2024. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.